Minglawa. Welcome back to Gold Burmese language lessons. We're going to talk about today lesson 5 is numbers in Myanmar. Let's go to numbers. 0 Tàu nhạ Tàu nhạ 1 Dit Dit 2 Nit Nit 3 Tàu Tàu 4 Lê Lê 5 Nga Nga 6 Chop Chop 7 Con knit 8 Shit Shit 9 Go Go 10 Tesse Tesse. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Tàu nhạ Dit Nit Tàu Lê Nga Chop Connect Shit Go Tesse. Okay, after 10, we just follow the same pattern, very easy. We count the numbers. If over in 10, say is little bit changed to say. So, let's count. It's like that song. 10 is the say. 1 is did. We combine. 11, the set it. The set it. 12, the set it. The set it. 13, the set though. The set though. 14, the set lê. The set lê. 15, the set nga. The set nga. 16, the set chop. The set chop. 17, the set connect. The set connect. 18, the set shit. The set shit. 19, the set go. The set go. Okay, 20. Nit say. Nit say. Okay, after 20, let's continue how to count 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Let's count. 10, the say. 20, nesse. 30, tonze. 40, leze. 50, ngaze. 60, chause. 70, konitse. Again, 70, konetse. 80, shise. 90, goze. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me. 21, nasetit. 22, nasetnit. 23, nasetho. 24, nasetli. 25, nasanga. 26, nasetcha. 27, nasekonik. 28, naseshit. 29, naset go. 30, tonze. 31, tonze dit. 32, tonze nit. 33, tonze to. 34, tonze li. 35, tonze nga. Shall we go to little tests? 55. How to say 55? 50, ngaze. 5 is nga. So, ngaze nga. Next number, 86. How to say 86? 80 is shise. 6 is cha. So, shise cha. Next one, 99. 99 is 99. 99. I will coming back to you the next lessons, step by step also. Hope you enjoy learning Burmese numbers. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်.